Mindfulness helps students focus, reduce stress, and connect with learning. Even short practices can support emotional balance and improve concentration. With AI, it's easy to create simple breathing exercises or calming visualizations for your lessons. These moments of calm help students feel safer, more focused, and ready to learn. Welcome to the short creative exercise designed to help you pause, focus, and prepare your mind for learning. We will combine nature, mindfulness, and a generative AI in a simple but powerful way. As you can see here, this photo was taken in Finnish Lapland. The snowy fell, the calm sky, and the untouched landscape invite us to slow down. But what if we could use AI to help us interpret this moment and to create a gentle mindfulness practice for learning? Here is what we did. The image was uploaded into ChatGPT with image reading capabilities. The prompt was simple. Read the picture and make a short relaxation from it, to open a lesson and so it can be read loud. Here is a picture of ChatGPT and simple prompt we put in. Would you like to create a mindfulness activity like this on your own with ChatGPT? It's easy. Let me show you how, step by step. Take a photo that brings you calm. It can be a peaceful place in nature, your favorite view, or even a drawing. Think of something that helps you slow down and breathe. Upload the image into AI assistant that understands visuals. For example, you can use ChatGPT with image input for a custom GPT trained for this purpose. Write a prompt. For instance, read this picture like a mindfulness coach. Write a short, calming reflection for students. Refine the output if needed. You can change the tone, make it shorter or longer, or shift the focus to fit your learning goals. Now use it. Add it to your lessons, presentations, or simply as a mindful moment before diving into a new topic. This exercise highlights how AI can support not only learning efficiency but also bring emotional and sensory richness into digital education. So now we are at the end of this lesson. Let's try mindfulness exercise together. Find a comfortable position. Before we continue in this Coursera course, let's give ourselves a moment to pause and relax, inspired by the beautiful landscape from Finnish Lapland. Imagine yourself standing on the snowy slope of a fell, gazing at the softly darkening sky. Bright pastel colors, gentle violet, soft pink, spread wide before you, creating a calming view. Around you there is a silence, broken only by the soft whisper of the wind and the sound of your own breathing. Breathe in the peace and breathe out the stress and rush of the day. As you inhale, feel the fresh, cold air filling your lungs, refreshing and invigorating your body and mind. As you exhale, let go of all worries and tensions, as if the first warmth of spring were melting away the snow. Give yourselves this moment to be one with nature, to calm your mind and focus. Be aware of your presence here and now, ready to receive new knowledge. When you are ready, return to this moment feeling refreshed and prepared to begin to study this course. Thank you for joining this micro practice. Let's move forward with focus, curiosity, and calm mind. These short moments of calm are not just nice extras, they give the brain a break. Neuroscience shows that pauses help with focus, memory consolidation, and emotional balance. Especially in intensive learning environments, a brief relaxation exercise can help reset attention, reduce stress, and improve overall cognitive performance. In other words, a small pause can lead to better learning. Hope you enjoyed it.